Run free and dive into the sky.
They redid the pavement around here recently, it's so nice.
Crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedoms.
Doing boring adult stuff today. There's going to be a tube strike, so I'm going to take my bike to work. Every time I ride on the canals, which I'm going to have to take to get to work, I get a puncture every single time. So I'm trying to get hold of some off-road tyres. I have hit a little bit of a hurdle. This is the bike shop I was planning on going to. I'm supposed to be doing a coolant flush on my car. I've never done this before. And I don't really know what I'm doing. On the bright side, I could have my neighbour's car.
Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only
Making the second attempt to get some bike tyres.
So take my hand, join the army of the sun.
So I finished the coolant change in the dark. That was not an elegant time in my life, but it's done now. I'm going to do the bike tyres later.
In this